Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 24th tutorial for CSS beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is CSS outline offset properties. What we discuss on today? CSS outline offset property. Today in this tutorial we mainly discuss on the what is outline. In this tutorial we discuss on the outline offset property. Like first of all we discuss on what is outline and what is outline offset property and outline offset syntax. Today we discuss on these three topics. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provides all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel and please support me. Okay guys, I am going to topic. I will explain each and everything with coding. First of all, I am saying some description about the outline. First of all, I am discussing what is outline. An outline is a line that is drawn around the elements. What is that? An outline is a line. Outline is a line that is drawn around the elements. Around the elements. Outside the border. Outside the border. This black one is the border, and this one is the outline. And next one is outline offset property. Outline offset property adds space between an outline, the edge or border of an element. Here, an outline offset property, I am applying the outline offset property, so that's why it's create the space between the border and outline. This space is the transparent. Here, what I am saying here. Brown color is the outline. Brown color is the outline. Here I am writing the space. Sorry, here I am writing the outline offset. Offset 15 pixel. So that's why it's add a space between the border and outline. Once again, outline offset property. The outline offset property add space between an outline and the edge or border of an element. Edge or border. This is the border. Black one is the border. 7 pixel solid black. This is the border. This is the border is the 7 pixel solid black. This one is the border. So here I am writing the outline offset property. So that's why it's add a space between the border. I am also explaining how to write the CSS offset with coding. And next one is the outline offset syntax. Outline offset length initial inherit. What is the length? The distance, the outline is the offset from the border edge. Default value is 0. What is the length? The distance, the outline is offset from the border edge. And next one is initial. Sets this property to its default value. And next one is inherits. Inherits this property from its parent element. Here I am also explaining one thing. Outline differs from borders in 3 ways. Outline differs from border 3 ways. An outline is a line drawn around elements. An outline is a line that is drawn around elements outside the border of the edge. An outline is a line. Here this is the outline. The outline is a line that is drawn around the elements. An outline does not take up space. An outline may be non-rectangular. An outline may be non-rectangular. Okay guys, I am going to example. Here I am create a HTML file. Here I am write the basic HTML structure. Doctype HTML, head, title, CSS outline offset set property. CSS outline offset property. Here I am using the brackets editor. This is the brackets editor. First of all, I am creating a div class equal to box. P. This div has 7 pixel solid black border and 15 pixel outline offset. Outline offset. This div has 5 pixel dashed border, black border and 15 pixel outline offset. Also we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next I am write the CSS for this. Style dot box border 7 pixel solid green background yellow, margin 20 pixel. This is the border. Next I am write the just outline. Just first of all I am write the outline. Outline 5 pixel solid this is the 5 pixel brown is the outline. Next I am apply the offset. Outline offset. Outline offset. Outline offset 15 pixel. Suppose I am write the 15 pixel. It's create the space between the border and the outline. First what I am writing first of all I am writing the outline 5 pixel solid brown. Next I am write the outline offset. Outline offset property is the add space between the border and outline. Okay. Next I write the font size 18 pixel. Font style italic. Yeah, this is the font style italic. And next I am write the borders 7 pixel dashed blue, Yeah, this is the 5 pixel box one. I am writing the 7 pixel dashed blue. This is the border, and this one is the here I am writing the outline offset just a 5 pixel, just 5 pixel. So it create the less space between the border and outline. I am writing the here I am apply the 15 pixel offset, so that's why it's create a more space. So here I am write the only 5 pixel offset, so that's why it's create a less space. Sorry. CSS outline offset property. CSS outline offset property. H1 text align center. Color. Yeah, this is the CSS outline offset property. Okay guys, this is the process to write the CSS outline offset properties. I hope we all are understand how to write the CSS offset property, and we all are understand this what is CSS outline and CSS outline offset. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Okay guys, before going to close this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution brought all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please support to me. Thank you. Bye bye.